better overview enhances safety and saves fuel. The new MirrorCam. The new MirrorCam is another innovation from Mercedes-Benz trucks and replaces the conventional outside mirrors. After coupling to a new trailer, the driver simply turns on the ignition and, when the orientation point appears, uses it to set a manually adjustable yellow distance line, marking the end of the trailer. When cornering, the camera automatically follows the field of vision, ensuring that the end of the trailer constantly stays in the picture. Tracking the trailer, especially on sharp bends, helps enhance safety for the vehicle and its surroundings. The displays measure 15 inches and divide the views up in a similar way to conventional mirrors. When reverse gear is engaged, both displays automatically switch to manoeuvring view. The larger wide-angle area and the division of views ensure that even in situations where manoeuvring is tricky, particularly during hard turns, the driver is able to keep everything in sight, allowing precision docking at the loading bay. As soon as the truck starts to move forwards at more than 10 km an hour, the MirrorCam switches back to normal mode. All-round vision, particularly the view out through the side windows, is substantially improved compared with conventional mirrors, especially when negotiating roundabouts. On the motorway, the 4 yellow distance lines make it easier to gauge the traffic behind, both in terms of distance and speed. The omission of the outside mirrors improves the truck's aerodynamics and looks, reducing fuel consumption by up to 1.3% and minimizing dirt caused by the weather. The distance lines and symbols are always displayed exactly where the driver would intuitively expect. So, for example, color is used to highlight the filter areas when the indicator is activated, ensuring an optimal distance is maintained when filtering into traffic. Even in poor light conditions, in rain or at dusk, for example, the driver still enjoys an improved view. The screen brightness automatically adapts to the prevailing light conditions, but it can be adjusted manually too. The MirrorCam has also a monitoring function. There's a special switch for this on the door panel, and another can be fitted above the head end of the lower bed as an option. Pressing the switch activates the MirrorCam for 2 minutes, allowing the driver to check the area around the vehicle. The curtains can remain closed while this is going on, helping ensure you have everything under control at all times. The new MirrorCam. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.